it's your Dplannerguide, and today's video is about my cover page of my 2019 bullet journal. Just a flashback, last year I started bullet journaling February, kaya lang hindi siya na fill out regularly, so I decided to stop and continue the following year, and this is the year that I'm talking about. So congratulate nyo ako because unang-una mag-start ako ng aking bullet journal / planner, DIY planner. And pangalawa, this is my first time na nagsasalita ako sa harapan ng camera in front of you na matagal. So hindi ko talaga ginagawa to. So nagkaroon ako ng lakas ng loob para gawin to. So congratulations to me. Alright. Anyway, so just to share this, ginawa ko siya last week, ang cover page ko, kaya lang hindi ko siya magawa dito sa kwarto ko kasi parang feeling ko I'm limited of ideas pag nasa loob lang ako ng kwarto. So I sometimes go to coffee shops, mga tahimik na lugar to do my planning, my work, my lesson plans and all that. So dinayo ko ang Dubai Mall, and kasi may kinita akong friends doon, and then nag-coffee kami and I decided na doon ko na lang gawin. So I brought all my things. So wala nang tatagal-tagal pa. So let's watch this. To start off, I put the box wherein I can write the month and drew fireworks on top because I know it's really appropriate for this month because it's New Year's time. So Happy New Year to everyone. And aside from watching fireworks, I also love watching stars at night. So I put stars here. So somehow it feels so therapeutic. So if it's New Year, of course party and festivities, so I decided to put this sentence here with a code to begin. Then I used my Uniball fine liners to put the borders for each drawing. I normally use 0.3 and 0.5 for this, but for the fireworks I use 0.1 because it's thinner. Use my Dumbo dual brush pen for my signage and my Sakura gray brush pens on the side, so it will be balanced somehow, and my Uniball white pen to put the packs into it. And for the month of January, I decided to use my Dong A gold pen for faux calligraphy, and it turned out good. And for the letters, I used my Staedtler Tri-Plus pens or fine tip pens so I can feel the holidays. Finally, for my stars and fireworks, I use my Zebra Maya liners and a Schneider highlighter. my cover page for my bullet journal 2019. And sana po nag-enjoy kayo. And don't forget to click subscribe and the bell button beside it para ma-notify kayo kung meron akong mag-post or video. So thank you and see you in the next video. Bye bye.